As we work to continue improving reading in middle school and high school, we're sharing how to teach vocabulary in a meaningful way. Kids learn to spell through a sound and letter correspondence. Memorizing doesn't teach kids how to spell, pronounce the word, or remember its meaning. So we're going to take the word quotient. We have a list of grade 6 math terms from the number strand. We're going to take the word quotient and we're going to ask students to help us hear sounds within that word. How many sounds do they hear? Qua, o, sh, n, t. Sounds like they're hearing 6 sounds. Now we're going to ask them to place the letters that are making those sounds. So the first one we have is the Q, U. This is a great visual for students to recognize that the Q always needs the U. Shh. We're hearing a sh sound there. It's actually a TI together. And they're hearing all of those sounds. Quotient. The TI, CI, and SI always start a second syllable. When in a 2-syllable word, you can use the TI, CI, and the SI to start it. And they're all going to make the sh sound. We have a list of rules on our website, and that is rule 17. The Q, always needing a U, is rule 11. So this is something that you can always refer to.